That's spider. Oh, that is spider. What's that? Yeah. He got eyelashes. See, got eyelashes.
Oh wow, that is beautiful eyelashes. What is it?
Yes, my mouth. Two mouths.
Two mouths. Does it have any teeth?
Yeah.
Oh,
Teeth.
got nice teeth. That is very nice. You are so clever.
He's brush teeth.
He brushes teeth too. Wow. Yeah.
And clean it.
Okay. You're so clever. I'm so proud of you. What are you doing now?
One more time.
Okay.
Cross the same and flower.
A flower.
He got big nose.
Yeah. It's funny nose. Got a little lump on it.
And two eyes.
Two eyes, yeah. That is so clever. Cute.
He got three eyes.
Three eyes.
Look.
Yeah, where's the first one?
Look.
Yeah.
Smiley cheek.
A red cheek. Oh, rosy cheek. Very cute.
Oops. Make them back.
I'm so proud of you.
And Daddy. Nice tie. Big nose. Just like Bam Bam. Look.
Wow, that's pretty.
This Daddy.
You very look much.
Daddy, look.
Look alike,
This
Daddy.
your Daddy.
Very cute.
This your Daddy.
Good, yeah.